Understanding, Put Up Your Guard, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, put up your guard. This is a common expression in English, but it can be a bit tricky to understand at first. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, when to use it, and how it can be applied in various contexts. So, let's get started. Put up your guard is an idiom that means to be on alert or to prepare oneself for something challenging or potentially harmful. The phrase originates from physical combat or sports, where it's crucial to defend oneself against an opponent. However, in everyday language, it's used more broadly to indicate emotional or intellectual readiness against potential criticism, trouble, or deception. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a personal context, if someone has been hurt in past relationships, a friend might advise, it's okay to put up your guard at first, but don't close yourself off completely. In a professional setting, before a contentious meeting, a colleague might say, put up your guard, there could be some tough questions coming your way. In sports or physical activities, a coach might yell, put up your guard, to remind an athlete to defend themselves against their opponent. There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as, be on your guard, keep your guard up. These variations emphasize the need for continuous vigilance or preparedness. When using put up your guard, it's important to consider the context. It's suitable for situations where caution is advised, whether physically, emotionally, or intellectually. It can be used as advice or a warning. For example, given his history of deception, you might want to put up your guard when dealing with him. I put up my guard whenever I enter negotiations with new clients. Understanding the phrase, put up your guard, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you navigate conversations more effectively. It's a powerful expression that conveys caution and readiness, applicable in various aspects of life. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, being prepared and cautious is wise, but always be open to genuine connections and opportunities. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.